Welcome back. In our last video, we practiced simplifying expressions. And today, we're going to take the next step and actually solve the equation. Instead of just combining like terms, we're figuring out the exact value of x that makes the equation true. I'm going to walk you through each step on the whiteboard. Grab a pencil and follow along. Okay, let's start with our first equation here. 3x plus 4x minus 5 equals 16. What have we learned? First step, we're going to combine our like terms. Our like terms here are going to be 3x and 4x. We combine them to get 7x. Good. Boop. Those are done. Let's bring the rest of the equation down. So we have 7x minus 5 equals 16. Now we want to get this x by itself. So the first thing we're going to do is undo this negative 5 by adding 5. And we're going to add 5 to both sides. And that is just getting rid of our negative 5. 16 plus 5 is 21. So we want to make sure we bring down our equation. So now what we have is 7x equals 21. Okay, we're getting closer. We want to get this x by itself, and we have a 7 right here. So what we're going to do is divide both sides by 7. Okay, so that'll give us our x by itself. Woo. And then we go 21 divided by 7 equals 3. Yay! So the solution is x equals 3. So let's try another one here. We have 7x plus 12 minus 2x equals 37. Our first step, let's combine our like terms. Let's see, we have a 7x, negative 2x. So we're going to combine those. That'll give us 5x. And then let's bring the rest of our equation down here. Plus 12, and then equals 37. Okay, we simplified. Now we want to get rid of this 12. So we have plus 12, so we're going to do subtract 12. So goodbye 12. And then we have to do the same thing we did on this side. So we're going to subtract 12 from 37. 37 minus 12 is 25. Okay, we bring down the rest of the equation here. So we got to bring our 5x down. Ooh, we got to bring our equal sign down. So now we're getting simpler. We have 5x equals 25. What do we do next? We want to get the x by itself. So we're going to divide this by 5 to get rid of these 5. So now we have the x by itself. We have to do the same thing to this side. 25 divided by 5 is 5. So we have x equals 5. If you're taking a big test and you want to double check after you go through all this work and you get your x equals 5, what you can do is plug your x in for these now that you know what x is. You'll go through your order of operations, 7 times 5, 2 times 5, and double check that the answer is the same with your x. Today we built directly on what we did last time. We combined our like terms, but then used the distributive property and solved equations step by step. In our next video, we're going to go even further and solve equations with variables on both sides. So make sure to subscribe so you don't miss it, and I will see you then. Bye!